Hi everyone. In this video, let us discuss about the Biot-Savart's law. This Biot-Savart's law is used to find out the magnetic induction at any point due to a current carrying conductor. In the year 1819, the scientist Ørsted discovered that a magnetic field B bar will be produced around a current carrying conductor. Suppose small I is the current flowing in the current carrying conductor, then magnetic induction B bar will be generated around the current carrying conductors. The units of current is amperes and the units of magnetic induction B bar is Weber by meter square or Tesla. Suppose consider a current carrying conductor and the small I is the current flowing in the current carrying conductor and capital AB is the small length element. Here capital P point is the point where we have to find out the magnetic field due to the current carrying conductor. Small r is the distance between the small length element AB and the point P, and small dl is the length of the small length element capital AB, and theta is the angle between current carrying wire and the line joining between small length element AB and the point P. According to Biot and Savart's, let dB is the small magnetic induction produced at point P due to small length element capital AB. Then this dB is directly proportional to the current flowing in the current carrying conductor, that is small I. Second one is the magnetic induction dB is directly proportional to the length element, that is dl. Third one is the magnetic induction dB is directly proportional to the sine of the angle, and the last one, fourth, is magnetic induction dB is inversely proportional to the r square. Then combining all these four factors, then magnetic induction at point P due to small length element AB is given by dB is directly proportional to I into dl into sin theta divided by small r square. Here small I is the current which is flowing in the current carrying conductor, dl is the length of the small element capital AB, and r is the distance between length element AB and point P. Then dB is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi into I dl sin theta divided by r square. Here mu naught is the permeability of the free space. This is the constant. The constant value of mu naught is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 Weber by ampere into meter. This magnetic induction can be written in vector form also. So dB bar is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi into dl cross r bar divided by r square. Here r cap is the unit vector. This can be also written as dB bar is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi into dl bar cross r bar divided by r cubed. So this is about the Biot-Savart law. So Biot-Savart law is used to find out the magnetic induction at any point due to a current carrying conductor. The units of the magnetic induction is Weber by meter square or Tesla. Thank you.